In Ireland, we need to do more to support new mums who are breastfeeding their babies. Shockingly, a survey in 2016 showed that Ireland had the lowest breastfeeding rate among 27 developing countries. So it's very clear that we need to do more. Approximately 65,000 babies are born every year in Ireland, yet there are only 30 full-time equivalent lactation consultants within our public health system, and indeed there are 5 maternity hospitals that do not have any lactation consultant whatsoever, and 16 counties who don't have any lactation consultant within the community setting. In a survey carried out by Banya Baha, 84% of respondents said that they intended to exclusively breastfeed their babies, but 9 in 10 mums said that they found it very difficult. In Fianna Fáil, we understand that new mums need support. Breastfeeding can be daunting, difficult and hard on the mother. They absolutely need to have as many supports as possible. So I'm calling for urgent HSE supports for new mums right across Ireland and a national campaign to inform, promote and support breastfeeding in Irish society.